What's going on, guys? Steve here, the Landscape Capital. Today I'm working on my 2015 F-150 tires. We cover a lot of ground, rotating as much as you can, working on a lot of construction sites, a lot of roofers, a lot of nails. Something you just can't win. Basically, always be watching your tires, at pressure gauges. Keep one of these in the truck. If you're filling up all your equipment, you got a free guide, tell them to check all the all the levels on your tire. I've got tire gauges built into the dash. That makes life easy. But I mean, the best way to find a hole, if you need to plug it, is just get it really quiet, turn the truck off, have everyone shut up, and just lay down in here and just put the car in neutral if you need to move it, and just listen. And typically, if you get your ear right on it, you can hear it. However, what you can do is you can get a spray bottle like this here, or Windex. Just get some soap and water and just start spraying the tire. Spray the tire, spray the tire. Rotate. Oh, my pump's turning on. I keep one of these in every truck. It just hooks up to the battery. It goes far. I mean, it can go double this length. But yeah, just keep spraying the tire, and where the hole is, it'll start bubbling up around it. And you really can't miss it. Luckily, I just put my ear on the tire. I was able to find the leak here. You can see the nail is already came out, but it was right here, and it's a very slow leak, but yeah, now I'm gonna plug it. So I'll show you guys how to plug it. It's a pretty simple task. Now with these radial car tires, it's a little harder to penetrate, so make sure you got enough room to get the spike in there to clear out the hole, and I'll kind of show you what I'm using. So all my trucks have a basic kit. You got your spike, clear out the hole. You got the plug threader, and then you just keep a bunch of plugs. Now I recently started, instead of glue, regular cement glue, I've been actually using this. I noticed that this bond's way stronger. Yeah, this stuff, it either or, it just fuses so much better with the tire and the plug. And I don't know, I've been using it ever since. It's probably a little more expensive, but I think it's worth it, especially with the mower tires. Helps the plugs from drying out. So all you got to do is just get under here, find your hole, and you want to wallow it out. So you got to push it in, pull it out, push it in. Yeah. All right. So now you get you a plug. Loop it through. Boom, boom, boom. Let's get some glue. All right. So you just take the plug, just get some glue on it. You really ain't gotta do a whole lot. Just make sure it's gonna make contact with the whole plug. All right. And all in one motion. Pull it out, and this is where it's a little harder with car tires. Key is to not, once you get it in, to not push it. You don't want to push it past the hole. There you go. Then once you get it in, you just cut the rest of this stuff out, because this can catch on the road or something and pull out, so you definitely want to cut that off. But pretty simple how to plug a tire.